how to enable NGL Pro Preview. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to get the NGL Pro so that you can see who is messaging you? Then stick around. First things first, open up your NGL app and then go to the inbox tab in the top. And then once you're in the inbox, look for the red button that says who sent these. This is a gateway to revealing the sender information. Just tap on it and then you can see unlock option. You need to tap on it. So you can see that this will reveal the sender's info. But for that, you will need to pay for the subscription that is $4.99 per week. You can double click to subscribe and then it will scan your Face ID and then you will need to put in your credit card information. Remember, tapping on the right message can upgrade your experience and give you more insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.